Welcome to SafeStack, an AI powered DevSecOps assistant that keeps your software supply chain safe. SafeStack leverages TiDB to ingest, analyze, and secure dependencies while enabling intelligent CVE search through vector embeddings. Developers today face three big security challenges. Vulnerabilities are buried in complex dependency trees. Tracking and patching CVEs is slow and manual. Security signals are scattered across GitHub, Jira, and Slack with no single source of truth. The result? Fixes are delayed and vulnerabilities linger in production. SafeStack automates vulnerability management end to end by ingesting CVEs from GitHub Advisory, parsing project manifests such as pom.xml to generate the software bill of materials, integrating Jira and Slack, thus enabling instant notifications. And uniquely, SafeStack provides an inbuilt CVE semantic search powered by vector embeddings stored in TiDB. Here's SafeStack in action. On visiting the website, you land on the vibrant and informative landing page. A developer authenticates through GitHub and we fetch their repositories. SafeStack ingests the dependencies into TiDB when the developer triggers the scan. We fetch known CVEs and match them against dependencies. If issues are found, SafeStack's AI suggests a compatible upgrade. The system then raises a GitHub pull request, creates a Jira ticket, and sends a Slack notification, all backed by data stored in TiDB. Developers can integrate Jira and Slack by providing the required details through the Settings tab. What makes SafeStack different is its vector search CVE Explorer. Developers can simply type natural language queries like show me vulnerabilities in Tomcat. Behind the scenes, SafeStack uses TiDB vector search on embeddings of CVE descriptions from GitHub Advisory. This allows semantic retrieval of the top 5 most relevant vulnerabilities, even if the wording doesn't exactly match. This turns vulnerability hunting into a conversational experience. SafeStack is built with Spring Boot for backend, React and Tailwind for frontend, Gemini for AI reasoning, and TiDB as the central store for CVEs, software bill of materials, and integration metadata. We use TiDB's vector search to power semantic CVE queries. Integrations include GitHub for repositories, Jira for issue tracking, and Slack for collaboration. TiDB ensures all this data is scalable, queryable, and lightning fast. With SafeStack, developers can proactively manage vulnerabilities. By combining TiDB scalable vector search with agentic AI capabilities, SafeStack makes vulnerability detection, remediation, and collaboration fast and seamless. Try SafeStack, secure code, faster releases, smarter DevSecOps.